Good morning, students. Today, I'm going to discuss three topics in a computer. This is for standard 5P. The first topic is bullets and numbering. Second topic is header and footer, and the third one is alignments. Alignments I have already discussed. So I hope just after watching this video, students, you people, all the students will be able to understand the bullets and numbering. So now I'm going to start bullets and numbering first. What is the meaning of bullet and numbering? It's a very simple. Bullets means what? When you want to write anything point wise. Suppose if if your subject teacher has assigned the task that write something about all the states of India. So how you will write? So India you will write, and then number one like Bihar, then two three lines about the Bihar, then Jharkhand, then UP, then MP. So such a way if you want to write, then we have to use a bullets and numbering. I will discuss what's the difference between bullets and numbering later. Let's see. I want to write something about what different states in India. So how will write this India, INDIA, India. Then the first one I want to write what? Suppose Bihar, Bihar. Third one I want to write suppose Jharkhand, Jharkhand. And then the next one I want to write UP. So look, if you're writing like this India, Bihar, Jharkhand, so it is in same line. So there is no difference which one is country, which one is a state. So if you want to focus more, so what I have to do, what we have to do, first little bit alignment I'm going to do. थोड़ा सा इसको बड़ा कर देते हैं 50. This bold we can do, italic we can do, underline we can do. So this is about India actually what the formatting I did. So three things actually I did in this India. Bullet, simply you have to click bullet, but when it will work you have to select this one, and then the bullet, italic means थोड़ा सा तिरछा हो जाता है, underline. Okay, now look this Bihar, Jharkhand, UP, it's not looking good. If it will be what in 1 2 3, then it will look good. So what we have to do, select these and then go to insert, look here, bullets and numbering are here. It's given, it's not given. So actually bullets and numbering are in this format menu. So bullet and numbering. So bullets means what? You cannot use numbers like A, B, C. Means in sequence you cannot represent. If you want symbols, like in examination you are writing what arrow sign or circle. So these are the bullets. When you are using symbols to represent the things in separate way, so that is called bullet. So now what I want to do in numbering, the numbering means what? It always in sequence like 1 2 3, Roman 1 2 3, ABC. So sequence will be there in ascending order. Look 1 2 3, you cannot represent like 3 2 1, no, not in descending order, it will be in ascending order. So now you can choose the style from here. Suppose I want this one, so simply you have to what? Right, press OK. Now look, it's looking good. Bihar, number one Bihar. And if you want to write something in Bihar, so Bihar is Patna is the capital of Bihar. If you want to write Patna is the capital of Bihar. Same way I want to write Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. You can write in the place of Patna. I'm going to write what? Ranchi. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Same way, capital of UP, you people know. So you know the capital of UP? Yes. What? Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of. Here you can actually I have copied and pasted. So simply you have to do some modification here. Jharkhand, and this one you have to write UP. UP. Now look, this sequence is called what? Numbering. 1, 2, 3. If you are representing anything in sequence, then that is called numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C. Suppose if you don't want to see this one, if you don't want to use 1, 2, 3, you want to change. So after just going to the format and then clicking on bullets and numbering, this um, this options will be there, this bar will be available there. So now suppose you want to represent here in ABCD like this, so you can select this one and press OK. So it will change ABCD. Actually I have changed the line, so that's why it's representing ABC. So you can delete this one if you don't want. B is okay, C is okay, D is okay, A, B, C, yes. So this is called what? This is called what? Numbering. Now you want to represent in a bullet, so simply you have to select this one, go to the format menu, then select bullets and numbering. After clicking this one, see bullets, numbering, outline, graphics, positions, option. So these options we will discuss later, we will learn later, but the topic is what? Bullets and numbering. So numbering is okay. Now I am going to use the bullets. In bullets there will be no any sequence, means not in ascending order, descending order. Here you have to use the symbols, and all the means symbols will be same for all the points. Like here A is Bihar, B is Jharkhand, C is UP. But here whatever the bullets you want to choose, suppose this one, and press OK. So look, such a way, means this symbols is for all same. So this one is called bullets. uh, so I hope this is clear. And there are different actually styles bullet numbering, different style you can choose. Look here, these are the styles for numbering, these are the styles, any one you can choose and you can use in your computer. So I hope this is clear to all about bullets and numbering. Now second topic is what? Header and footer. Now you dear students, you have seen in book the topmost margin, bottommost margin. People see in topmost the chapter name is there, in bottom page number is there. So if you want to do like this, so this space, look, this space, you look this one, this space is called the top margin. Now this space is called bottom margin. So if you want to write something in the top margin, so we have a ways. What the first way? You can move your cursor here and directly click 2 times here. So it is not working, so this method is not working. So what we have to do? We have to go here, insert. Look, insert header footer is there, header footer is there, header footer, yes, header and footer is here. So if you pressing header default, so header space is here. Now suppose if you want to write in header Tata DAV public school, Tata DAV public school, so that is in a topmost bar, or you can say topmost margin in your page. So this is what called header, means if you are writing something in the top margin, that is called header. And header you can understand like this, header means heading you can see, तो heading always जो है वो top में ही देते हैं. Now if you want to insert footer, so here in bottom you have to write. So what you have to do, click on the insert menu, then go to footer option is here, default, and you can write there page number. So page number you can write there, or you can insert the page number also. Suppose I have written suppose what CBSE, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पर देखेंगे, अब header in top I have written, footer I have written CBSE, and then you can write what the things you want to write, in your document, insert the page, whatever. And this header footer automatically will be added in next page also. Now suppose, now see the next page, I have switched the next page, that header will be there, footer will be there. So you can use like this. So I think this is clear to everyone. Once again I am going to discuss how you can insert a header and footer. Very simple. Go to the insert menu, and in insert menu you will get the option header